So one of the questions that I get from partners that are looking to work with ClickX is right here on this screen, which is, can you help me create and optimize LinkedIn ads for my clients? LinkedIn has become so popular, especially if you're trying to target a business-to-business audience, right? If you're trying to target a specific title in a type of industry that is very relevant to your business, and you're trying to make sure that the company size, the location, the number of employees, all the variables that you can select are in line before anybody even sees your ad. It's a very highly targeted audience. Can you help me run that? Because there's certain companies you cannot just run maybe a search ad for, maybe you can run a display ad or a Facebook ad. You want to run it to a specific audience that are likely to convert because the challenges that they have is so specific to a vertical and the title of the person. So LinkedIn has become so popular because they truly have the professional data of practically every single person that is in that professional services. It could be the CEO, it could be the CFO, it could be an educator, it could be a coach, it could be a consultant. No matter who you're trying to target, if you're looking for a professional audience, right, people that are looking to move between career jobs, whatever that might be, they are on LinkedIn. They're on LinkedIn just like all of us are on Facebook, but after work, if that makes sense. So LinkedIn is one of those places that nobody's ever been able to replicate for that professional sort of setting. So as a white label partner, we help our agencies tap into that, and we do that as transparent as possible, getting the access from the client, running the actual sponsor story or LinkedIn email campaign, all the different products that LinkedIn has that's readily available in the ad product. We're able to run that and show the results that the clients are looking for that B2B sort of environment, right? So B2B is very specific, they know their need, and most of the time they're looking to solve their problems, but they may not actually know that they have a problem. They may not be searching for that. It is our job to show a video in front of them, or what we call LinkedIn lead ads or LinkedIn retargeting. Wherever they are, we want to make sure that our ad, our product are right in front of the right people at the right time, right? We're all living a mobile life. We're on the mobile, we're on the go, get on the desktop, get on the laptop, get on the tablet, and wherever we are, no matter what notifications pop up, we check our phones, we check our tablets, and at that right time, we want to make sure that we stay top of mind, or we're showing them something that they can relate to in terms of a challenge that they have, so that our clients, our projects, our products, whatever it is, can get visibility in front of the right people at the right time. So LinkedIn makes that readily available. It is a high CPC because, again, you have really focused high attention right inside the platform. So they want to capitalize on that. However, it is possible to get really good quality clicks, really good quality conversions from the right people. It is not about throwing an ad together and hoping that a CIO or CFO might click on it, or the CTO, or even a VP of marketing or a VP of somebody who's in the supply chain, right? Any titles that you can target in LinkedIn. So getting those people to click on the ad and get them to your solutions page, get them to your lead capture page to maybe download a resource or watch a webinar is extremely valuable in the B2B space. So agencies that are focusing on B2B really understand the value of LinkedIn, and that's one of the reasons that we've added LinkedIn to our portfolio of products, because we really want to make sure that we can hone in on that and also capitalize on getting the right people to click the ad at the right time. So if you have more questions and more about our process and how do we help agencies just like yourself grow and scale, schedule a call with one of our consultants or check out the webinars that we do. Join a webinar, it's live, you can ask your questions. One of our consultants will be able to answer it real time. Get you on your way to finding the right partner for your clients that you're working with. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you got some value out of this video, and I'll see you next time.